Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel Be Boundless. Today we are going to know some courses offered by Hubspot Academy. In my previous video, I talked about the courses offered by SEMrush Academy on digital marketing course. Today we're going to explore what Hubspot is offering. So I'm going to search Hubspot website. That is one thing I'm going to tell: whenever you do any certification course from any industry niche, make sure its importance has been there. Means it has that recognition in that industry which you are doing, so it is make valuable certificate for your future. So what I'm trying to say is, whenever you go to get certified from any company or industry, know the value of that certificate. So let's go to the website. This is the official website. Free Hubspot CRM Hub. $7 million monthly visit. That's huge. 2.6 million social followers. 400 plus integration. This is HubSpot chat box, name as Hubbot. So this is the website. Now Outlook. So here we go to resources. You can find free course and certification. Click here. So these are the courses available for you. Social media strategy certification course, inbound marketing, content marketing. As you know, or if you don't know, HubSpot is famous for its inbound marketing and sales service. So there's email marketing course, taking business online with HubSpot, inbound sales, SEO training course. So these are the courses available for you. These are the popular courses which are you seeing. 28. HubSpot is offering much course. Meantime, you can pass out the quarantine so easily, no? So these are all courses. The icon you see like cat that means it has included certificate. It also mentioned their certification course, and which does not include this means it only offering course, does not contain any certificate. So these are the certification or courses you can do through HubSpot. Here are the category: marketing, sales, customer service, design, web development, data service. Duration, how many minutes are the courses have. HubSpot software, levels, beginner, intermediate, advanced. So these are the all courses and certification. If you want only certification, turn this on. It will show only certification courses. To know more about Hubspot Academy, click on this. Read this all if you want to know, and if you want to enroll in a course, click on course. If you want to earn certificate, click on certification. So here you can see these are the certification course you can do. So for enrolling in this course, you have to click on this sign up for free courses. It will land you a page like this. You can enter your details here and create your account and enroll on courses whichever you like. So that's all for today. Hope you find useful. Please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, you take the courses and tell me in the comment section what you like the most.